What if I told you that your own mind has been lying to you for years? Today, we reveal the truth. Stop. Before you spend another second of your life, ask yourself, are you living your life, or is your brain living it for you? Did you know that 95% of your daily actions are not your choice? They are pre-programmed scripts running in the dark. Today, we break the code. Welcome to the Mindset Global. If you watch this video until the end, your reality will never be the same again. Are you ready to meet the giant within? Most people think they are in control. They choose their clothes, their food, and their jobs. But the truth is, your conscious mind is just a passenger. The real driver is your subconscious. It's a supercomputer that has been recording everything since you were in the womb. Every fear your parents had, every limit your teachers told you, it's all saved there. You aren't failing because you are lazy. You are failing because your internal software is outdated. Between the ages of 0 and 7, your brain is in a theta state. This means you are a literal sponge, soaking up everything without filtering. If you heard your parents say, money is hard to get, or life is a struggle, that became your software. You didn't choose these beliefs. They were downloaded into you. Most people spend their entire lives fighting a battle against a program they didn't even write. It's like trying to run modern apps on a 30-year-old computer. To win, you must first acknowledge that your current limits are not yours. They're just old data. Why do you only notice the things you already believe? Meet the RAS, the Reticular Activating System. It is the gatekeeper of your mind. Every second, millions of bits of information hit your senses, but your RAS only lets in what it thinks is important to you. If your software says, I am not good enough, your RAS will ignore 99 opportunities and find the one person who criticizes you. You are not seeing the world as it is. You are seeing it as you are programmed. Change the command to your RAS, and the world will literally start looking different tomorrow. The best news science has ever given us is neuroplasticity. For decades, we thought the brain was like a rock, unchangeable. But we were wrong. Your brain is like plastic or clay. Every time you think a new thought or learn a new skill, you are physically building a new road in your brain. You can literally prune away the old paths of depression and failure and grow new highways of confidence and success. You are not stuck with the brain you were born with. You have the power to rebuild it, one thought at a time. Did you know your brain cannot tell the difference between a real memory and a vivid imagination? This is why high-performance athletes spend hours visualizing their win. When you close your eyes and feel the success as if it's happening right now, your brain starts creating the neural pathways for it. You are practicing winning before you even step on the field. Most people visualize what they fear, so they get more of it. You must start visualizing what you want with such intensity that your brain thinks it's already yours. Your thoughts create your feelings. Your feelings create your actions. And your actions create your results. This is a loop. If you want a different life, you cannot wait for the results to change first. You have to break the loop at the source, your thoughts. Most people are waiting to be happy until they are successful. But science says you must be happy first to become successful. It sounds like a paradox, but it's the law of the mind. Today, we stop reacting to the world and start creating it. Your life is the sum of your habits. But where do habits come from? They are neural pathways carved into your brain through repetition. Most of us are living in an automatic feedback loop. Trigger, action, reward. If you want to change your life, you cannot just use willpower. You must change the trigger. When you consciously choose a new action, your brain is like a construction site, building a new bridge. At first it's hard, but with enough repetition, the new bridge becomes the highway, and the old path of failure simply disappears. You aren't lazy, you are just programmed for the wrong habits. Everything in this universe is energy, and that includes your thoughts. Your brain is a broadcasting station. When you think thoughts of fear, you send out a low frequency. When you think thoughts of gratitude and victory, you broadcast a high frequency. Like a radio, you can only receive what you are tuned into. You cannot tune into a station of wealth while thinking on a frequency of poverty. Mastering your mindset means learning how to change your internal frequency. Once you align your mind with your goals, the universe has no choice but to bring those goals to you. This is the ultimate secret of the Mindset Global. Now, let's go deeper than ever before. Science has discovered something mind-blowing. Your thoughts don't just stay in your head, they actually change your DNA. Through a process called epigenetics, your brain sends chemical signals that can literally turn genes on or off. If you live in constant stress, you are telling your body to prepare for a threat that doesn't exist, causing your cells to age faster. But here is the secret most people will never tell you. You are a biological broadcasting station. Your heart is 5,000 times stronger magnetically than your brain. When you align your heart's feeling with your brain's thought, you create a quantum signature. This is how people attract miracles. It's not magic, it's high-level physics. You are not just a human having a thought. You are a creator shaping the fabric of reality through your internal frequency. The final secret is this: the world you see outside is a mirror of the world you carry inside. Most people spend their whole lives trying to clean the mirror, but the dirt is on their own face. If you want to change your bank account, your relationships, or your health, you must stop looking at the results and start looking at the source. The Mindset Global was created for one reason: to wake up the sleeping giant inside you. You have been conditioned to play small, to be a victim, and to follow the crowd. But the programming ends today. From this moment on, you are the architect of your destiny. Remember, your mind is a garden. If you don't plant flowers, weeds will grow automatically. It's time to take back the controls. This is your life. This is your mind. This is your power. Welcome to the new you.
Master your mind, master your life. Follow for more.